So, is it okay to steal other people's ideas and videos? In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can make your original content on YouTube so that you can stand out. And also, I'm going to share with you an example of another YouTuber who literally copies people's video down to the T, thumbnail, word for word, everything. So, this is a video you don't want to miss. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tamika, and on this channel I help you to rank your videos in search, get more views, get subscribers. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So to stand out on YouTube, you have to be original, because it's going to be hard to beat your competition when you're literally copying them. So here are some prime examples of things that you don't want to do. So this guy, he goes around and he watches big YouTubers videos and literally copies their videos. He copies thumbnail, their video script word for word, literally everything he copies. So therefore, on his channel, he has nothing original. There's no way possible you can beat your competition if you're copying them. You have to be original. That's the only way you're going to stand out. All that he's doing is duplicate every content that is on YouTube. So he copies Catherine Manning's video. So therefore, there's two of that same video on YouTube. That doesn't help. You have to be original. And what really pushed me to make this video is because in a few of my videos, I mentioned to you guys that you should look on big YouTubers' channel to get inspiration, to get video ideas. But I also tell you that there's a very thin line between inspiration and imitation. And this right here is clearly imitation. And that's something that you don't want to do. So let's get in the tips of how to be original on YouTube. The truth is, every idea comes from somewhere. So it is definitely okay to be inspired by somebody else's contents. But what you don't want to do is literally watch their contents and just regurgitate it. You want to watch it, understand it, and pick valuable information from it, and then remix it, put a spin on it, and make it yours, make it different. Try to make it even better than the person that inspired you. Don't just copy it exactly as how you see it. Try to make it better. That's how you're going to stand out. That's how you're going to be original. If you're going to use somebody's contents, at least give credit to that person. Don't act like that content is yours and you came up with it all by yourself. That's plagiarism. The next tip is gather all the ideas that you need, but use it to create something new. Don't just copy somebody's content word for word. As I always said before, you will get caught. Obviously, just like this guy get caught. And I doubt this guy is feeling good right now. It's not a good feeling, because literally, I don't know, a lot of people know about this now. So literally he's getting negative attention. You don't want that, and that is why I come here today to share this information with you. Do not copy, be original. Guys, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. That's gonna let YouTube know that you like the video, and it's also gonna keep me motivated. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss another upload, and make sure you hit that bell. And also remember, stay humble but keep hustling.